In this part, we want to add a font icon to our project. As you already know, Bootstrap 5 has its own icons and we can use them. However, in our Figma project, they are not used and the icons from Line Awesome are used. These ones are used and we need to add them to our project. We don't want to use Bootstrap icons because our Figma project uses Line Awesome icons. And as you know, it is easily possible to use Bootstrap icons. In this way, we will copy the code inside and paste it here. The result, as you can see, is like this. We can also increase its width and height so that you can see how it looks. As it is shown here, this is the Bootstrap icon. It has a large number of icons, Bootstrap that is, and they are really good. But in our project, we would like to add a new font icon. All right, let's go to our font icon, which is Line Awesome. How can we add it? We click on Get Started and go to this part, copy this CDN, and above this part, we will paste it here. Now we have Line Awesome as a CDN. Okay, it's time to see if we can display an icon from it or not. Here, for example, one of these icons is this icon. The icon called File. Here I type File, this is the File icon, and I click on it. Then I click on this and it copies the code. I will paste it here in this part, and as you can see, the result is shown here. If I zoom in here, see the icon appears here and we can see it. Because we need the icons here, we need them in our nav. We had to install them as we did.